Dismantle the LED headlights of Toyota Camry 2018, 2019, and 2020 models. This video is divided into 11 installation steps. Step 1. Remove the plastic part for sealing the cold air intake pipe in 5 clips. Step 2. As shown in the figure, detach the jig and remove the plastic baffle for sealing the cold air intake pipe, following the direction indicated by the arrow. Step 3. As shown in the figure, use a screwdriver to detach 2 positioning claws at the front wheel fender mudguard. Hint: take the same steps on the right and left sides and remove the clips. Step 4. Remove 8 clips fixed under the bumper. Step 5. Detach 3 positioning claws as shown in the figure. Hint: take the same steps on the right and left sides. Step 6. Disconnect all connectors according to the different options of the vehicle. F. With collision prediction system. G. With panoramic surveillance system. H. With Toyota parking assist sensor system. Step 7. Remove 2 clips and 4 bolts. Step 8. As shown in the figure, detach 2 positioning claws and 2 jigs to remove the front bumper assembly. Step 9. Remove the bolt, 3 bolts, and 1 screw. Step 10. As shown in the figure, detach the jig to separate the headlight assembly. Step 11. As shown in the figure, detach the positioning claws, pull out the connector lock lever and disconnect the connector to remove the headlight assembly.